What's up, dudes? Got my car door off here because I am working on my speaker. Say hello to this crappy speaker that I bought. But if you're an idiot like me, you bought the wrong size for your screw holes in your door. I mean, it's kind of close. Let's take a look. Screw hole number 1 right here, kind of close. Screw hole number 2, kind of close. 3 and 4, no freaking where near. So, what are you going to do? I'll show you a little trick how to get through this in a pinch using some metal washers. If you're like me, you keep a bunch of random crap around, and washers is one of those things that I just save. So using those, put them on some screws and I'll zip them in here. You'll see what it looks like. We got 1, 2, 3, and that's the last one there going in. And check it out. Strong. Let's see it in slow-mo. Boom. 100% rigidity. I also secured that speaker wire with some aluminum tape to keep it from moving around. And it's done. Hopefully it helps somebody out. Go listen to some tunes.